Hello people of YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing at my usual place, usual map, usual game mode, and just being goobers.
Yeah.
And without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
Wait, no. We gotta get the other guy on the other team.
Yeah. I'm running into the
Somebody hold him down, we'll just go to town, bro.
Where you
Yeah,
going?
I'm
Where you
running up
going?
on you.
Go. I'm sorry. What the hell? Hey! Dude! Kevin. Kevin. You know the building where you shot me at?
Yeah.
Great place. I can see all the way up there, and I did not know I could. If you want to help me push up back up there, that'd be awesome. Hit! Okay, you're good right in front of you. In front. Up here, by the tree. I can't see very well from right here.
Me neither. I think I got him.
I'm just gonna try to get in this boat. Hit! Don't think you can shoot through that, but whatever. What? That's not gonna hit me anyways. Kevin. Caden, right side. Caden, right side. Yep. I don't see anything right now. I hear them. They're up here. Yep, in the building. Right in front of us. No. I'm almost out of ammo.
Caden needs to work on his aim a little bit. Oh my God. Hit!
it! Hey, Kevin. Kevin, you got an extra mag I can borrow them out?
See if that has some ammo in it.
You got some in there, right? Good. Thank you.
You like my weird mag?
I do like your weird mag. Yeah.
Peeking.
That's what I'm doing. I'm recording.
You sound so bored. If you get hit, I'm gonna be here. When you need to wind up your mag, I'll take over, okay?
I don't wind up my mags. I'm a mid cap.
Oh, that means we need to switch. I'll take over so you can reload. Keep that side suppressed. Let's see what I can... Oh. I mean, that's definitely not loud. You see him?
I got him.
Bing. I think I hit somebody. Maybe. What you doing?
Moving. From what I can see, you're good up in front.
I got in front of us. Moving up. Sam? Alright, got him. Let's move. Move. I'll see anybody. Got him. Got him. Move up. Nobody's here. I'm looking, nobody's here. You can go.
I'm not going up right now.
Alright. Sure. Seem tired.
Hmm?
Seem tired.
I am. I got you. Moving up. I'm in the building. You didn't even hit me.
What?
You didn't hit me.
You're lying.
No, I swear I didn't feel anything. I swear on God. That doesn't count though. I swear I actually didn't feel anything. Do you want me to call it? I'll call it. Hey. Prick.
Hold on.
Did you know you also hit my gun?
Yeah.
Bang bang.
You said well, I could just take it. I didn't really want to sneak up.
Well,
and shoot
he
you.
said never
Hey,
mind.
I'm on your team. Sorry.
He said never mind. So
Sorry.
I'm not.
I'm sorry. No, it's okay.
He said never mind, so I'm not taking it.
Okay. Well, bang bang.
Well, I've been banging you first.
Aw, well, man, I got some of my teammates, so I'm kind of dead anyway.
Cover me.
No. Ow, that fucking hurt right in the tail.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Bang bang. Take it or get hit. Take it or get hit.
And my friends, that is game and the video for today. If you enjoyed, please hit that like or sub. Or don't really care. I'm not the type of person to beg you. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, you're lucky I'm out. Come in.